is Hans, and it's time for yet another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and it's 2023 now. It's January 4th of 2023, and this is the first review I'm doing of this year. So, granted, you've seen plenty of them in 2023, but I'm way ahead. But, yeah, I'm going to try this out. This is A-Sha Mandarin special soy sauce flavor. Is it special? No, original soy sauce. But it's a 40% reduced sodium version they were kind enough to send me. Thank you very much to the A-Sha folks for that. And, yeah, it just sounded like... It sounds interesting. They're going to have it at Costco. I'm guessing by now you've got it at Costco. But you get 12 packs, and that's what they look like. But yeah, so Christmas is officially over. For that, I am exceedingly thankful. I don't have any scissors. Let's see if we can do this without making a mess. And I want to verify on here. Usually dry noodles take a little bit longer. 3 minutes. Longer for a softer noodle. So I will do the 3 minutes as it mentions on here. We have 1 sachet. 1 noodle block, and as I said, it's going in for 3 minutes. While I haven't done any other reviews yet this year, this is the first. I should mention that I did crank out, I did top 10 lists in, what, November? And I did the videos, and I didn't really get them all hammered out. And the first one I put out was the Taiwan top 10. But now I spent like 3 days and just buckled down and got the 3 top 10s that I wanted to get done that I had left. They're already scheduled. So the USA came out on January 2nd. The Korea will be coming out January 16th, and the Malaysia list, which hasn't come out since 2015, will come out February 6th. These are all Mondays, and they all come out at 9 a.m. Pacific time, West Coast time, LA time, Seattle time, also known as Vancouver time. So those are already out for you, most likely, unless I rush this one. I'll have to ask them when. See, sometimes I'll switch out an episode if it's a product that's limited time only, and I don't know how long they're going to have it at Costco. So, yeah, worth a look-see on that. But yeah, it was a good Christmas. It was a Happy New Year. Not yesterday, but the day before. I was just like, man, this place is a mess. And I was talking to my wife the night before, and I was like, you know, everybody does spring cleaning. Why don't we do New Year's cleaning? So we took the whole day, went all over the house, took the tree down, put all the stuff away, and it's good. We went with the kids and us, went through all the toys, and the toy area is much more manageable now. There was just so many things that they don't play with, and so much stuff now that's going to get donated, and yeah, I'm pretty stoked on that. But yeah, so yeah. But this is the one I'll be doing. I think I've got another one that I need to do. I don't know if I'm going to do that today. Kind of beat. I screwed up my foot. I walked 12 miles, which isn't like out of the ordinary for me, but something happened, and after talking to my buddy, who's in the medical field. He's like, "Oh, what you got there is like a tendon sprain or a tendon pull or something." So it's like if I lift my right foot up, I feel it like in the top of my foot and it hurts. So I'm kind of like on the mellow as far as going and doing a bunch of walking right now, which sucks because that's like my favorite thing to do. The kids got on the bus today, and usually I would be like all geared up, ready to go walking all over the place. But yeah, I figure it's better to let it kind of chill out before it gets any worse. So let's hope that is the case. There's our noodle, and it appears to be done in 3 minutes. That's pretty good. All right, so let's make it so. Got some additions that should make this wonderful. Draining the noodle. I just like to say that. It's funny. I've kind of run low on noodles again, which is good and bad. And I was thinking maybe what I ought to do today, if time permits, is maybe what I should do is look at doing some more top 10 lists and getting them ready. I've found a couple workarounds, not really workarounds, but just like tactics that make it so editing the videos, which is the longest part of the review process, or the top 10 list process, editing the videos just usually takes forever, but I've found ways around that. You know, I really could use some scissors. It is perforated, but I'm good at making a mess. So let me grab a pair of scissors from this area. These are my special scissors. There we are. Add that in. And then toss the noodle in the sauce. But it's supposed to be lower sodium. Now, is lower sodium gonna mean a lower flavor? That is the question. Oftentimes it does not. Oftentimes it does. It's really kind of a let's see what happens kind of thing. And being I think their original sauce is mostly soy sauce. So let's give you a look-see. I couldn't tell if the lower sodium was in the noodle or in the sauce, but it's 40% less sodium per serving. 340 calories, I think it said, per serving, which is this. Excellent. Yeah, there's definitely no loss in flavor. There's a strong flavor of original sauce. So let's put this sucker together, shall we? Gotta get the bowl where I want it. Not that way, we want it this way. Like that. Drop in our noodle. Oh gosh. Oh golly gee whiz. Come on. So there is our noodle. Oh, how do I want to do it? I think I just. Put you, come in. sucks because I'm doing dishes right now. Cool. I was gonna say I'm doing dishes right now, so I don't have any of my usual accoutrements on hand. But I've got what I was really looking for. Ooh. There you go. Yeah, maybe I will do the next one too. That one will require an egg as well. See, the tricky part is balancing that. This is a new bowl. Here's some chashu. Although the slices I made this last batch of chashu are much smaller, this has been like, I've been using this for a while now already. Good enough. And we're gonna do some little scallion right in that little divot there. And got some seeds. And a little bit of, gosh, crushed red pepper. I better take a picture of this because it looks like that egg is like a zit that's just about to explode, I swear. And I do speak French, so I swear a lot. But just not on this show, ladies and gentlemen. I like to keep it a family affair. But here we go. There you are. Look at that. Look at the elegance, fervor, and wonder. Anyways, yeah, that's it for me for this episode. The next one's going to be this one from Otogi. This is their Jin Jajang. So it's a black bean sauce. It's wonderful, probably. It says smoked black bean flavor, so that should be interesting. It's a Korean variety for the U.S. market. Anyways, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Again, these are A-Sha Mandarin noodles, 40% less sodium, and available at Costco. Have a good one. Bye-bye.